Did you know that, on average, the typical home wastes up to 30% of its available space due to inefficient storage solutions? This means that nearly a third of your home could be transformed into usable, organized space with just a few clever changes. Imagine what that could do for your daily life. Less clutter, more breathing room, and a better sense of calm every time you walk through your door. Maximizing your space isn't just about tidying up or squeezing things into every available corner. It's about creating a functional, harmonious environment that supports your lifestyle and well-being. When your possessions have a designated place, it's easier to maintain order, find what you need, and enjoy the full potential of your home. Whether you're in a cozy apartment, a sprawling house, or somewhere in between, smart storage ideas can dramatically enhance both the look and feel of your living space. But let's face it, most of us struggle with storage. Clutter creeps in with everyday life. Mail piles up on counters, shoes crowd the entryway, and kitchen cabinets overflow with mismatched containers. Perhaps you've tried to organize, only to find yourself running out of space, or you simply don't know where to start. Limited square footage, awkward room layouts, and the sheer volume of belongings can make storage feel like an uphill battle. Disorganization isn't just unsightly, it can also undermine your productivity, add stress to your routine, and even make your home harder to clean and maintain. Fortunately, innovative storage solutions are within reach. Let's explore some genius ideas that can help you reclaim wasted space and bring order to your home. Starting with simple changes you can implement today. First, look up. Vertical space is often neglected, yet it offers endless possibilities. Install floating shelves on empty walls to display books, decorative items, or kitchen essentials. Tall storage cabinets make use of high ceilings and can store seasonal items, linens, or pantry supplies. Even the space above doorways or windows can be fitted with slim shelves for additional storage without sacrificing floor area. Next, consider multifunctional furniture. Ottomans and benches with hidden compartments offer both seating and storage, perfect for stashing blankets, shoes, or toys. Beds with built-in drawers underneath are a game changer in bedrooms, providing a home for clothes, bedding, or shoes without the need for bulky dressers. Coffee tables with lift-up tops or shelving underneath can hold magazines, remote controls, or board games, keeping your living room tidy and inviting. The kitchen, often the heart of the home, benefits enormously from clever storage. Use drawer dividers to organize utensils and gadgets, install pull-out shelves or lazy Susans in cabinets for easy access, and mount racks inside cabinet doors for spices or cleaning supplies. Magnetic strips can hold knives or small metal containers on walls, freeing up counter space and keeping tools within reach. Stackable bins or baskets in the pantry maximize shelf space and make it easier to find ingredients. No more lost cans at the back of the cupboard. Don't overlook small or awkward spaces. Nooks under staircases, alcoves, or even the area behind doors can become valuable storage zones. Built-in cubbies, hooks, or even slim rolling carts can fit in these spaces, offering a place for shoes, cleaning supplies, or sports equipment. In bathrooms, over-the-toilet shelving, medicine cabinets, or wall-mounted baskets keep toiletries organized without crowding countertops. Closets are another hotspot for disorganization, but they can be transformed with a few strategic tweaks. Install double hanging rods to double your clothing capacity. Use slim, non-slip hangers to save space and keep garments tidy. Add shelf dividers, shoe racks, and labeled bins for accessories, making it easy to see and reach everything you own. Vacuum-sealed bags are perfect for storing out-of-season clothing and bulky linens, compressing them to a fraction of their size. For those with limited space, think outside the box, literally. Furniture on wheels, like rolling carts or portable drawers, can be moved where needed and tucked away when not in use. Over-the-door organizers are perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or entryways, holding everything from shoes to cleaning supplies. Pegboards are an adaptable solution for craft rooms, garages, or home offices, allowing you to customize your storage as your needs change. Now, let's spotlight the single most impactful storage idea: modular shelving systems. These versatile units can be tailored to fit any room, from living areas to closets, kitchens to garages. With adjustable shelves, drawers, and bins, modular systems grow and change with you, accommodating everything from books and decor to clothing and tools. The beauty of modular shelving lies in its flexibility. You can start small and expand as needed, or rearrange components to suit new purposes. For families, students, or anyone looking to maximize space without major renovations, modular shelving offers both practicality and style. Imagine the difference these storage solutions can make in your daily life. Floating shelves clear your counters, multifunctional furniture streamlines your living room, and modular shelving brings order to your closets. By utilizing vertical space, integrating smart furniture, and customizing storage to fit your needs, you create a home that's not only more organized, but also more enjoyable to live in. Let's recap the key storage ideas discussed today. First, harness vertical space with shelves and tall cabinets. Second, invest in multifunctional furniture to combine storage with everyday utility. Third, optimize your kitchen and bathroom with drawer dividers, pull-out shelves, and wall-mounted racks. Fourth, transform awkward or overlooked spaces with built-in cubbies, hooks, and rolling carts. Fifth, overhaul your closets with double rods, slim hangers, and labeled bins. Finally, embrace modular shelving for a truly flexible, future-proof storage solution. Each of these ideas empowers you to reclaim your space, reduce clutter, and create a more functional, beautiful home. No matter your budget or room size, there's a storage solution that fits your needs. Start small, try 1 or 2 changes, and see how much more you enjoy your environment. Organization isn't just about neatness, it's about making your home work for you every single day. If you found these tips helpful and want more ideas for creating a functional, organized home, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more insights, inspiration, and practical solutions to help you make the most of your space. Remember, an organized home is a happy home. Start maximizing your space today.